Welcome to my channel. Hello, it's nice to have you here today. My name is Wumi. Do you know that Germany's vocational system is very robust and there are a lot of openings for vocational skilled professionals? This channel is a target for knowledge and growth. Our target is for knowledge and growth. So I'll be very glad if you can join me towards this journey that is filled with knowledge, inspiration, and empowerment. Every video I have in my channel is crafted, and this exactly is crafted with care to give valuable information that are life-changing, whether you are looking to learn a new skill or you are already a professional in your area and you want to transition into another career. Germany is very robust for its vocational training system. So if you are a professional or you are a non-professional or you are just starting to look out for something when it comes to skilled professions, then Germany is a very good place. Vocational training is a very good system I will encourage you to look into. Let's not forget, to access this vocational training, you must learn your German language. If you have already started, give yourself a thumbs up and a pat at the back. If you haven't, what are you still waiting for? To be able to access all vocational trainings and more opportunities in Germany, you must learn the German language. So, in today's video, I'll be discussing careers under services. So I encourage you to watch the video to the end. This is the first playlist. There are lots of careers. Services, when it comes to services careers, we have 7 areas of specialization, and under 7 areas of specialization we have a lot of careers under it. Germany is robust for its vocational training system, and it's a place where you can develop your skills. You are learning and you are earning. In the process of learning, you are earning your salary as well. Join our community of like-minded individuals that have successfully integrated into Germany and they are doing fine in their professions. Listen to their success stories and get inspired. When you listen to them, you can make use of this advice and take the right step in the right direction. So by watching this video to the end, you are not just benefiting yourself, but you are benefiting families and friends, your communities, everyone around you, as you become a platform of information for them. Share our videos and help spread the wealth of information. Together we create a network of informed and inspired individuals. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bells, and stay updated on all of our content. Every video we post so that you are the first to know. When it comes to vocational training, you must be successful in your journey in Germany. So like I said before, this is a new playlist and it's all about services. If you're interested in services, you want to service people, you want to attend to people, then I will encourage you to look in through this playlist. This is the first video I'll be making, so subsequent videos will be coming. I'll upload more videos with more career options. In this video, it's about 2. I'm going to explain just 2. This is the second area of specialization under services. That is Berufe in call center. That is professions about call centers. So we have 7 areas of specialization when it comes to this profession. I encourage you to watch the video to the end, and I will see you in the second part of this video. Welcome back. The first area of specialization is businessman, businesswoman for dialogue marketing. That is Kaufmann, Kauffrau dialogue marketing. The duration is 3 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildung. It is a recognized training. Do you need any certificates? Yes. If you have your Hochschulreife, your Realschulabschluss, or your Hauptschulabschluss, that is your university qualification, your secondary school leaving qualification, or your high school leaving qualification, any of these 3, and if you have equivalents or higher, definitely you are going to be accepted, apart from your German language, of course. What do you do as a salesperson for dialogue marketing? a businessman, woman for dialogue marketing. You manage orders that are carried out for companies. You manage orders. You carry out administrative tasks. You design the company campaigns, projects, and plan. You also organize and monitor the processes of the campaigns. You select also and instruct necessary staffs on what to do. You carry out administrative tasks. Also, you create offers for services and conclude contracts with customers. When there are complaints or inquiries, they are involved in sales and marketing. So if you're interested in sales and marketing, this is a career you want to look into. It's 3 years and it's a recognized training. You support customer and you make sure that you advise customer on the phone or through chat or co-browsing, and you offer them customer-specific solutions. You can work in the commercial and administrative capacity by designing presentations, you prepare meetings, you prepare personal development of staffs, and you draw budgets as well. So there's a lot to do when it comes to being a salesperson or businessman or businesswoman for dialogue marketing. Where do you find employment? You find employment in call centers, because let's not forget all these professions are under the area of specialization of call centers, services, and professions. You find employment in service and customer centers of industrial, economic, and service companies in all different economic sectors. All different economic sectors, you find employment there. When it comes to commercial, it comes to industrial or services companies of all economic sectors, because you are into dialogue and marketing. That is where you find employment. Don't forget, it's 3 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. So don't give up on your careers. If you want to go into sales and marketing, look into this career. And the second career in this video, I'll still be discussing in the third part of this video. So I encourage you to watch it to the end. So see you there. Welcome back. The second career part is service specialist for dialogue marketing. That is service Fachkraft für dialogue marketing. The duration is 2 years and it's also a recognized training. It's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. The duration is 2 years. Do you need a certificate? If you have your university qualification, your high school leaving certificate, your secondary school leaving certificate, your Hochschulreife, Realschulabschluss, Hauptschulabschluss, any of this, you are accepted into this career path. Let's not forget, you must have your German language, which is important. Description: what do you do if you want to come into this career option? If you want to choose it, service specialist for dialogue marketing, you communicate and correspond with customers. You communicate with customers on behalf of industrial, commercial companies. The medium you use the phone or through chat or co-browsing. You also sell products or services and process inquiries, orders, or complaints from customers. You make phone calls, you write emails, and maintain the customer database. You make sure that customers' information are up to date. That is what that means. And you contact potential customers to have more communication and sales of products to them. So where do you find employment? You find employment in service and customer service centers of industrial, commercial companies and services companies. So any company that offers services, you find employment there. Industrial or commercial companies that services need to be rendered to customers, you find employment there too. It is 2 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. 2 years. Stay tuned for more videos coming up concerning this career when it comes to professions, call centers profession. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share our videos with families and friends. It can help someone as it helped you just now. And see you in my next video. Don't give up on your careers, because only you can stop you.